Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to copy and paste specific fund values into Power BI, allowing you to quickly view the subset of data you need. Let's get started. Starting from our Power BI dashboard, we'll click on Fund Summary Statement. Now, in the slicer window, you'll see a new option called Paste Fund Values here. This allows you to paste a bulk list of custom fund values from a spreadsheet, notepad, or another file on your device. Let's see a quick example of how this is done utilizing funds that I have saved in a notepad. I'll open the notepad, select all my funds, right-click and select Copy, and then I'll go to Paste Fund Values here, click the ellipsis icon to see more options, and select Paste. You can see that the values show in real time and you can start going through the data right away. And that's it. The Paste Fund Value Slicer allows you to quickly filter your data by copying and pasting a list of funds directly into Power BI. This saves time, simplifies filtering, and helps you focus on the data that matters most. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.